Hi guys, it's me Radhika. Welcome back to my channel Lifestyle Hacks. Today I will be talking about 11 natural ways how you can improve your eyesight. I have posted links of many products that I have mentioned back in my video. You can always go in the description box and check those links out. I have also posted the timestamps in my description box. So let's get started with the video. Every morning when you get up, fill your mouth fully with water so that your eye muscles expand. Then splash some cold water on your eyes for a number of times. Then you will realize an instant cooling effect on your eyes. Next, take one eye wash cup and pour 15 drops of rose water and cold water in it. Now, place this eye wash cup on one of your eyes and keep your eyes open. Move your eye pupil in all the directions so that this water gets circulated inside your eye. Stay like this for 1 minute and then repeat the same process with your next eye. This eye wash not only provides an instant cooling effect but also decreases the inflammation of your eyes. Our diet, rich in vitamins A, C, E, zinc and antioxidants, are not only healthy for your eyes but they also prevent the macular degeneration. They can also be available in carrots, fish, broccoli, spinach, strawberries, papaya, almonds and many more citrus fruits. To make your diet furthermore interesting, you can also have them as juice or salads. You must also cut down your salt intake in the diet as it not only affects your eyesight but it can also increase your blood pressure as well. Food that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon, flaxseed, avocado should be added to your regular diet. Our eye retina contains specific carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, which can be also found in green leafy vegetables, broccoli, zucchini and eggs. They protect our macula just by improving the pigment density and also absorbs both ultraviolet and blue light rays. Continuous staring at your computer, TV, phone or any other blue device can actually strain your eye muscles. Apart from that, many dead skin cells accumulate on your eye surface and results in a weakened eyesight and dark circles around your eyes. You can actually get rid of this nasty eye strain simply just by following the 20-20-20 rule. Here, every 20 minutes, just stop staring at your computer or any other blue light device and look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. Again, before you get back to your tiresome work, just wash your eyes and drink lots of water. It will actually help to relieve your eye strain. As you are aware of the fact that regular physical exercises trims our excess body fat or gives us a six-pack body, but little did you know that it also enhances the blood and oxygen circulation to your eyes and also decreases the dryness of your eyes. Type 2 diabetes, often seen in overweight or obese people, actually causes a condition called diabetic retinopathy. Here what happens is, too much of sugar circulates in your bloodstream, affecting the delicate blood vessels. Now, as a result, there occurs leakage of blood and fluid into your eyes, affecting your eyesight. You can actually avoid such a situation just by getting your blood sugar levels regularly checked along with the regular physical exercises. You can also do some yogas like Sarvang Asana, which circulates the blood throughout your body. A long time continuous exposure of our bare eyes to the sunlight are not at all good for our eyes, as they can cause damage to the cornea. Now this is where the sunglasses come into play. The sunglasses that we wear just to look cool are not just a fashion accessory. They in fact block about 99 to 100% of the UVA and UVB radiation coming from the sunlight. So, from now onwards, whenever you step outside, don't ever forget to wear your sunglasses as they prevent the macular degeneration, cataracts and pterygium, which is a growth of tissue over the white part of your eye causing blurred vision. Your eyes are very delicate and vulnerable to germs and infection. So always wash your hands before touching your eyes or before handling the contact lenses. If by any chance these germs or infection enters your eye, then your eyesight will be damaged very badly. Your eyes have several delicate small blood vessels which can get injured very easily by vigorous rubbing with your hands. So from next time onwards, if your eyes feel itchy or dry, just rub them gently with your hands. Blinking can decrease the strain on your eye muscles. The blink rate decreases significantly while you sit in front of your computers, TV or phones. This blinking basically redistributes the tear film and makes your eyes lubricated. The blinking provides your eyes a much needed rest, causing decreased fatigue and strain. Later on, I will make another video on eye exercises that will help you to improve your eye vision. Smoking is not only injurious to heart, lungs or any other body part, but it also affects your precious eyes. It in fact increases the risk of developing cataracts and other age-related macular degeneration. But fortunately, your eyes along with lungs, heart and other body parts can recover from years of tobacco-induced harm simply by quitting. So, the longer you avoid cigarettes, the more your blood vessels will benefit from it and the inflammation will ease off throughout your eyes and the rest of your body. Many people have this bad habit of reading books or studying till late night under lamps or low power lights. It is not at all good for your eyesight as it can strain your eye muscles and weaken your eyesight. So get rid of this bad habit of yours as soon as possible to save your eyesight. Most of you have these bad habits of using your phones daily at late nights before going back to sleep. The blue light rays that gets emitted from your blue light devices are not at all good for your eyes as they can damage your eyesight to a great extent. So stop using your phones in dark rooms at least 30 minutes before you go back to sleep. Sleeping is very essential for your health, but having a knowledge of the right amount of sleep is much more crucial. Often oversleeping and undersleeping can affect both your health and lifestyle. So a maximum of 7 to 8 hours of sleep is necessary for your well-being. When you get overtired, your eyes can become more easily strained, gritty and dry. So the right amount of sleep decreases your tired eyes and improves your eye vision. According to the National Eye Institute, the best way to ensure that your eyes are in their best health is the dilated eye exam, which has the potential to catch issues right away and help in maintaining a better eye health. So get your eyes regularly checked by your doctor and keep a track of your eye health. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Start doing these things from now onwards and let me know if you have any doubts or queries by commenting in the comment section below. Also, if you liked my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my new channel Lifestyle Hacks. Thank you.